On the 23rd of January 2026, the Constitutional Court of South Africa delivered a key ruling in the case of Murwadi Tsholota, linked to the 255 million rands Free State asbestos corruption scandal. The ConCourt confirmed that the extradition process used to bring Tsholota back to South Africa was procedurally flawed because the request was made by the NPA instead of the Minister of Justice, who alone has authority to request extradition. However, the court made it clear a procedural error in extradition does not stop the criminal case from continuing. South African courts still have the right to prosecute her. This means Tsholota's trial will continue in the Free State High Court, where her legal team can raise other challenges in a trial within a trial. The ruling strengthens accountability, showing that serious corruption cases cannot be dismissed simply because of a technical mistake in the extradition process. Faces charges alongside former Free State Premier Ace Magashule and businessman Edward Sodi as the asbestos scandal case moves forward after delays. The Constitutional Court's decision provides clarity on the roles of the NPA and the National Executive and ensures that justice can proceed without being blocked by procedural errors. Thank you for watching. Until next time, God bless you and ciao.